Let's look at the various options in a gem studio, starting with gem placer, prong placer and cutter placer. I'm going to start off with a simple surface. If I look at gem placer, I can choose the base geometry, I can choose which shape I want, and I can choose what size I want. Observe the sizes are only as per your gem chart. Defining the gem spacing allows you to have a small red colored offset to the gem. I can use the plus or the minus on the keyboard to play with the gem size. So if I click out here right now, let's say I take this edge and here I need a smaller diamond. I'm pressing on the minus in the keyboard once and observe 1.9 has come up. I'm clicking on the minus once more and I got a 1.8, a once more for a 1.75 as per my gem chart, and so on. If I come here and I press plus on my numerical keyboard, I can increase the size of the gem as well. The red colored circle gives me a good idea of how my distance between the two gems should be. The same thing is possible also for a prong placer. So if I say set geometry, right now the sizes are 0.55. Let's make this 0.8 and 0.8 to begin with. I need an overlap of 0.15 and you can see that I'm getting a red circle inside to take care of that overlap. Now observe a 0.8 may be not enough for this 2 mm diamond size. So I'm increasing the size of my prong and that's how I can take care of the prongs at this end. When I come to the cutter placer, I can simply select the gems as well. So if I select these in advance, select by color, and I say select gems, the cutters for the gems are automatically generated. The cutter settings, just like all other cases, are available.